In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hopefully resolve if the game bar is not working or responding properly on your Acer laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, select System. On the right side, you want to scroll down and select where it says System Components. Either search the System Components field at the top here or just locate the game bar manually just by scrolling down and select the three-dotted icon next to it and then select Advanced Options. Scrolling down on this page, there should be an option that says Reset. If the system component isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The system component's data won't be affected. Select Repair and give that a moment, and then attempt to relaunch your gaming application and see if the game bar is working properly. If not, you can come back in here and select the second option where if the system component still isn't working right and reset it, the system component's data will be deleted. Select Reset. So this will permanently delete the system component's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. Select Reset. And then once that is done, I would recommend closing out of here and then just restarting your computer. And then hopefully your issue should be resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.